Hi, Y Combinator. I'm JK Kulkarni. I'm the founder of BillmanTech.com. At Billman, we are trying to solve one small but very critical challenge that the construction industry in India is facing today. And that is, how do we get our project status reports from our project sites in as real time as possible? I have spent more than 20 years in the construction industry in India, and I've come to realize that most of our project management is reactive and not proactive. The reason for that is that we get our project status reports weekly ones instead of daily reporting. The most widely used tool for reporting on project work sites is Microsoft Excel. Site engineers are expected to update and email reports in Excel format on a daily basis. Sounds simple and financially quite viable. However, in reality, construction sites don't have any IT infrastructure and neither do they provide any kind of data connectivity. So, site engineers are expected then to record all this data on a piece of paper and update the report when they get back home. This does not work because when the site engineer gets back home, reporting and submission of reports is the last thing on their minds. Billman offers a solution for this. Billman is a mobile first app which is user friendly, very easy to enter data, sits on your phone, and yes, it works offline also. So the site engineer can keep recording data all through the day and can update or sync the app whenever there is connectivity available. We are happy to say that Billman is now live on Play Store, and we have successfully completed a test run of 6 months with a client with 20 project sites and across 50 users. We hope to go to market by the June of 2021, and we hope that YC will be on our team. Thanks.